Hi, I'm Ron Lynch with ClearOne. We're here at ISE 2020. I'm at the ClearOne booth and I want to introduce you to Console AI. AI stands for Audio Intelligence. It is the smart way to design your audio conferencing system. With this GUI, we've created some enhancements to what we used to use with Pro Console software to design our system for our Converge Pro 2 and our Converge Huddle. We've added such things as allow easy routing and mixing of our inputs to outputs. We've added channel groups to be able to put like items together into logical combinations. And we've added boundary boxes to put channels together for easy discovery or explanation of how the channel system flows through from inputs to outputs. This software also adds some intelligence with what we call a workflow checklist and a project audit. Those are two things that are not displayed in this screenshot, but will allow you to easily navigate through the software to design your system. For more information, visit us at clearone.com. Thank you.